Welcome back to Thank Channel. Welcome back, everyone. And today we're diving into something brand new, RoadCraft. A series where we're rebuilding the world one project at a time. In RoadCraft, we take charge of disaster recovery, clearing debris, rebuilding roads, and restoring order after chaos. So if you're curious about how the game plays, what vehicles you get, and how realistic this road construction sim really is, stick around. I'm glad you're here. Last episode, we finally completed the side mission, connecting the warehouse and the forward base with a proper route. Now only the main quest remains, creating a route to deliver the generator from the abandoned facility to the Phosphate Plant. Looking at the map, it seems the only way to reach the abandoned facility is blocked by obstacles at the point I marked. That's why we need the dozer. Time to fire it up and head to the facility. We arrived. I tried clearing the debris, but something's off. Most things push aside easily, but these concrete blocks won't budge. Without removing them, our delivery truck can't pass through. So I opened the map again. Maybe I missed something. That's when I spot another path leading straight to the abandoned facility. It's a flooded road, but not too deep. Let's try plotting a route that way and see if the truck can handle it. Surprisingly, the truck drives through the water with no issue. Turns out we didn't need the dozer after all, but that's part of the learning process.
like you'll need to do some hauling. Take the cargo truck and load it up with the concrete slabs and steel beams. Then, deliver it to the phosphate plant. And if you're in the mood for extra supplies, you could plot a route between the warehouse and the forward base. It's not essential, but it'll make things easier for you in the long run.
With the generator delivered, our mission is complete. And now, we've unlocked a new vehicle and a fresh task. We'll be bringing construction resources to the phosphate plant. This time using an old but reliable truck. I switch back to the crane truck and begin loading the concrete slabs into the new hauler. After a bit of struggle, I'm finally getting the hang of the crane controls. Another task done, one step closer to rebuilding the world. That's it for today on RoadCraft. Thanks for being part of the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode as we keep rebuilding the world, one step at a time. And if you want to follow along as I take on more challenges, rebuild more roads, and grow this journey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in next video. Thanks you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy it.